Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Today's big day. It's always a big day around here. We're always doing something good, something fun. Trampoline is going into the ground today. We gotta do a barrier for the trampoline so that the walls do not cave in. We're gonna make it nice and flush with the yard so the kids can just go right into it. It's also awesome that the mat that goes around the trampoline is green. So it's gonna blend right into the green grass. But Buddy Jake's coming over with his MiniX. We're going to move the play center over next to where the trampoline is gonna go. Then we're gonna dig the trampoline, put the trampoline in, and then we're gonna use that dirt throughout the week to spread it out, level this lawn out, bring it up a couple inches, maybe an inch, two, with where the roots are, kill the yard, reseed, and it's gonna be summer before we know it. So make sure if you are gonna dig, 811, always call 811 or schedule it online before you dig, then you know if there's anything going through your dig area. Also have a septic, make sure your septic system is cleared from where you are digging. If you start digging 2 feet down and you hit some gravel, that's your septic system. Big day today. Stick with me. Let's change this yard. Here we go. Whew. Glad that's over. The barrier was definitely the hardest part, but digging didn't take that long, and it turned out really well. It's very flush with the edges. There's a corner over here that is low, but that's kind of the point, is because I'm going to be leveling out the whole yard, and I need to bring up that part of the yard anyway, so it's going to make it all level. Not as much dirt as I thought it was going to be. That's still a lot of dirt. It's a lot of dirt. I thought there was going to be like mountains full of dirt. Not that bad. Got a sprinkler line to fix too. That was broken. Figured there would be one. Time to spread some dirt.
Hello. Hiya.
So trampoline is in. Next step, I am going to burn the lawn. I'm going to glyphosate. I'm going to kill it, however you want to say it, but I am going to be killing the lawn. That's the next step. It's super warm out. There's no rain in the forecast, and it'll be perfect timing to spray the yard, and the grass will take it.
You're gonna kill the grass?
Yeah, Lou.
Why?
To start over. We're gonna put new grass down. New,
So that's
better,
why you want that
superior alpha grass.
That's why you want that there?
Well, the dirt I'm gonna be spreading out to make the grass or the lawn super level, super flat, like a soccer field.
Yeah, I was gonna
And then
ask that.
Yep, and then I'm gonna seed it.
Seed it?
Seed, yep.
I would help.
You can definitely help. So that's it for this one. I'm gonna be making the burn video. I keep calling it burn, but kill. I don't know, kill doesn't sound very good. So burn.
Positive vibes only.
As far as this goes, the trampoline is in. It's kind of more of a satisfying.
You always left me satisfied and smiling, so.
Time-lapse video. So hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the lawn, or I'll see you on another time. See you guys.